Let us start with a question. Have you ever made a decision that looked smart on paper, but later turned out completely wrong? In research, this happens all the time. And 9 times out of 10, it isn't because the analysts weren't clever. It's because the data itself was flawed. Here's the uncomfortable truth: bad data equals bad decisions. No matter how fancy your charts look or how advanced your analysis is, if the foundation is weak, everything on top of it will crumble. We live in a world drowning in data. Every brand, every business, every researcher is collecting numbers, from surveys, from transactions, from social media. But here's the twist: not all data is created equal. Think of it like cooking. If you start with rotten ingredients, it doesn't matter how good your recipe is, the dish will fail. In the same way, research success depends not just on how much data you gather, but whether that data is reliable, clean, and trustworthy. Let's dig into what actually goes wrong. Here are some common and dangerous threats to data quality: straight-lining respondents, choosing the same answer for an entire grid of questions. It saves them time, but for you, it's like reading noise instead of insights. Duplicate responses: the same participant sneaks in multiple times, especially if incentives are offered. Suddenly, one voice becomes 2 or 3, exaggerating certain opinions. Bots and fraud: yes, bots are everywhere. Some surveys get hit with automated responses designed to collect rewards. They complete inhumanly fast, often with random gibberish answers. Speeders: people who rush through a 20-minute survey in 5 minutes. If you think about it, they're basically just clicking anything to finish. Contradictions and inconsistencies: someone says they never use the internet, but later claims to shop online every week. These signals matter because they reveal careless or fake engagement. Overly patterned answers: sometimes respondents choose in a way that looks too structured. Option A, then B, then C, then back to A. This usually means they're not truly thinking about the questions. So, how do you guard against all this? You don't wait until after the survey to fix it. You design your quality checks right into the process. Attention checks: slip in a question that says, "Please select option 3 here." If someone misses it, you know they aren't paying attention. Logic filters: compare answers across questions. If someone contradicts themselves, flag them. Time checks: track how long respondents spend. If someone rushes through impossibly fast, chances are they didn't read properly. Digital fingerprinting: advanced tools can detect bots and even prevent duplicates by tracking IP addresses, browsers, or device IDs. Quota balancing: keep an eye on sample balance as data comes in. If one group suddenly looks too large, that could be a red flag for bias or fraud. We have seen projects where 15 to 20% of responses had to be removed due to poor quality. Imagine the money wasted if those checks weren't in place. Here's something many teams underestimate: fixing data after collection is painful. Sure, you can clean and filter, but by then you've already lost time, money, and maybe even credibility with your client or stakeholders. Think of data quality like airport security. It's not glamorous, but it's absolutely essential. You don't wait until after takeoff to check if someone has a dangerous item. You screen at the gate. Research should work the same way. Poor data quality doesn't just affect research reports, it affects business strategy. If leadership is basing million-dollar product launches or marketing campaigns on faulty insights, the damage can be irreversible. On the flip side, when you prioritize quality, you build trust. Clients trust your work. Executives trust the recommendations. And the business can act confidently on the insights you deliver. So here's the bottom line: don't treat data quality as an afterthought. Bake quality checks into every stage of research. Prevention is always cheaper and smarter than fixing the problem later. At the end of the day, the success of your research doesn't come from collecting the most data. It comes from collecting the right data. And that's what separates good research from great research. If you've ever wondered why two studies on the same topic sometimes give totally different results, now you know. It's the quality behind the numbers. Make sure yours can stand up to the weight of real business decisions. This is Lotus of Learning. Keep learning, keep shining.